morning, everyone, and happy Vlogmas Day 5. It is officially my 30th birthday, and I am spending it with this guy, and that guy over there, and then I've got Mira in my bed, and all the other dogs are downstairs sleeping still. So, don't really have much on today's agenda. I'm going to train Jofiel with my friend Sarah and her dog. And that's about it. Currently, I am watching the newest Paws in Love episode. I will link her down below. She's also linked on my service dog channel, which is here somewhere. So the plan for today is my friend Andrea and I are going to go do absolutely nothing when I've been training. Probably throw some chicken in the crock pot for dinner. And then we're going to do cupcakes and coloring and Disney movies and wine for my birthday. And that is honestly all I could ask for, except for asking for my spouse to be home for my birthday. We are currently, so I sent my wife an email last night and it got kicked back. So I think they shut their emails off, which means I'm probably also not getting a phone call on my birthday like she said she would try to do. So that's the life of being a military spouse. I'm editing the Secret Life of Dirt Vlogmas for yesterday. I think it's Vlogmas Day 3 for that account. And yeah, finally found a way to make my my videos upload faster, so that's a plus, not waiting 12 hours for a video to upload. I'll see if when I go to upload the Secret Life of Derp video, if it still goes quickly or if it was just a fluke because I ended up falling asleep. But we'll see. So for now, I'm just going to finish watching my movies and then go let the dogs out and prepare for training Jofiel later today.
Yeah. I didn't feel like that.
I love these two so much. That one was just sitting and I tried getting it on camera, but he stopped.
Hunter, where do you start out? Not everyone starts out in the same place. This guy's
I don't know what's going on up here. They stole my TV.
What?
Mira. Hi, baby.
I was disconnected.
Hi, baby. Come here.
What are you doing?
Hi, beautiful. Hi, little baby.
Yay!
Little baby girl.
Reconnect.
Oh, sweet girl. Oh, so vicious.
Oh,
so vicious.
Can you help me get to work?
Oh, so vicious.
Because I have
So vicious.
no idea where to go. I'm a 315 guy. Joe, you literally just start out anywhere. And
Eventually, I'll get out of bed. She says no. No getting out of bed. No getting out of bed. Our happy mail from Positively Golden is here. I'm so excited. I won a giveaway by her. And now we get to see what it is. Oh my god, I can't open this with one hand. Yay! So excited. This is Jofiel's Christmas bandana. If I can... Oh my gosh. There we go. For Santa. And then the back is just this solid glittery green. So cute. And it has 3 button snaps. So that I can make it as big or as small as we need to. Yay! Can't wait for him to wear this out. No, hop in the car! I left my backpack.
It's open.
Oh.
Ninny?
I'm not a ninny, you're a ninny. It's raining on my birthday! Running, 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 running. Raining. There's a Sarah. There's a Sarah. And there's a car, and it's wet, and it's cold. Okay. Ah, there's a car! Get off your phone! No! It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, snoring. I'm gonna go get some coffee. Coffee on my birthday. Oh, we're at Target. Oh, there we go. Okay, this way. Target. I only came to Target for ornaments, and unfortunately they don't sell the ornaments that I need in packs. So I got some green, some bronze, a dark blue. I picked up this gold and silver deer and a Dumbledore. I picked up some candy for the boys' stockings, and we're gonna split that in half. And then this was a, oh my god, they have it, and it was like $7. And then I got this for my little sister for Christmas. Looks super cute, and the cards in there are hollow. So I'm really hoping she'll like it. Sarah ran away. She went, there she is. She rinded away. Oh, let me see. She doesn't have. Tree so far. It needs to be a gold up here.
Mom,
There we go.
Mom, can I make one of these ornaments into like one of these, or just that black one that says something 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 does something?
So far, I just need to go get black ornaments for the Hufflepuff section,
Mom,
and then fill the rest in with other colored balls. But that's what I got so far. I need to go to Walmart. I need to go to Walmart and pick up some more black. But that's it for now.